You're still my child, and you still went too far. Pay for my wrongs every single day, but you left your father and you chose to stay away. I was wrong, I know it, on every mistake, but you walking away was your choice. My fate. I changed when it mattered. I got on my knees. You never looked back. You did what you pleased. I bled to make it right. I showed up and tried. You still won't call me. You still won't come back. I sit in this house with the weight of my past, but you made your choice and you made it fast. I fixed what I broke, but you kept the door shut. You call yourself hurt, but you twist every cut. I was wrong, I own it, I carry it still, but you left your father, you always will. You use my past like a weapon every day. You hide behind it just to justify your